How much does it cost to start my own permanent jewelry business? This video will detail how much it will cost you to start your own permanent jewelry business. I get asked this a lot because we are leading suppliers to permanent jewelry business owners across North America. So I'm going to tell it to you straight. It will cost between $2,500 to $5,000, and I will give you a breakdown of those numbers in a moment. You might already have some of these items, in which case it would be even cheaper for you. The average expected profit is $350,000 in the first year of full-time operation based on our customers. So going back to cost, it's actually not a lot and the profits are phenomenal. But don't just take my word for it. If you actually look on social media and track the permanent jewelry businesses, you'll find that many of them had started out as side hustles and they've quickly grown to be able to finance opening of boutiques, stores, in some cases, multiple locations. And while a number of them are designated permanent jewelry boutiques and they're thriving, many of them have also expanded to offer complementary services and products. Their success and profits are real. Okay, let's get right down to it. For the permanent jewelry business, investment costs that you will need to consider would include machinery, so the micro welder, and any tools and accessories that you will need to use. Then furniture and advertisement, and then business registration and insurance. You will need a micro welder. I have not used no-name welders. There are mixed reviews on their reliability and there have been safety issues. As a business, I think it is wiser to use reliable equipment. It will signal to your clients that you care about their safety and that you are a luxury brand. So for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to talk about Sunstone micro welders and their costs. I distribute Sunstone micro welders. They are top of the line micro welders that are known for their warranty, reliability, and value. They're the most popular micro welders for permanent jewelry artists worldwide, and they're made in Utah in the US. I'm going to, in a moment, detail models that they produce for the industry and their price points. There are different models of these American-made micro welders, and each will allow you to run a busy permanent jewelry business consistently and safely, day in and day out. The difference is in the bells and whistles and what suits your budget the best. We have full product reviews and user guides on our YouTube channel, and I would just include a brief cost summary here for the purpose of calculations. At the entry level, we have Zap, and then Zap Plus, then Orion Impulse, which is gold standard and is the most popular welder on the market for PJ artists. And then Orion PJ, which is really posh and has extra pretty features. The manufacturer listed prices for these micro welders are $1,000 to $2,800 US. If you are buying them from us, those prices include shipping and handling if you are in the US or in Canada. And if you are in Canada, they also include customs clearance and duties. You will need additional tools and accessories, such as pliers, chain cutters, safety goggles, leather, welding protector, grounded pliers, and more, for about under $300 for the entire package. And again, we have full details and user guide videos. You will need chains. Many wholesalers offer a variety of packages, and these are great places to start until you get to know your market better. You just have to make sure that they are suitable for permanent jewelry. We offer a number of convenient starter packages of the top-selling premium quality chains and components. These range from $250 to $800 and will allow you to start selling and welding immediately. You will need a table, some chairs, and a lamp if you don't already have these. Anything simple will do and can be easily purchased for under $350. You will need signage and business cards that can be ordered online for about $250. You will need to open a bank account and register merchant accounts to accept payment like PayPal and credit cards. Most of this is free to register, but you can check with your bank's merchant services for more details. You will need to register your business with your local government, and it is usually inexpensive, with fees ranging from $50 to $300 depending on your location. You will want to purchase insurance. If you already have a business and are simply adding the PJ service, there should be little to no increase in your premiums. If you do not, check what your home and auto insurance policies cover and if there might be an umbrella policy available. A quick call with your insurance broker will give you all the facts. Besides the cost of the machine, you will need training on how to operate the welder and achieve successful welds. We offer free support and have excellent video training that are discounted when you buy with us. A small percentage of people prefer in-person training, and that is also available for a small fee. Some outfits are charging anywhere between $400 to $2,000 US for full access to their video training courses. So the investment needed is only $2,500 or up to $5,000, depending on whether you want the luxury machine and larger chain package or not. And you are ready to go. Although there is no guarantee of success in any business, from the data that we collected from our customers, in their first year of operation, they've averaged gross profit of $380,000. So that is before rent. Some of them operate out of their own homes, mobile studios, and do pure events. I have another video where I detail pricing and profits. I hope you found that useful. We're leading wholesalers in the permanent jewelry industry. I'm going to leave some more information below. Feel free to comment and let us know what you think. Email us with any questions. Hey, by the way, I want to know where people are watching this video. Please comment below and let me know where you live.